So, good afternoon, everybody, or good day. Hello, everybody. Firstly, I want to thank you for being here today. So, I'm delighted to present a topic that combines innovation with tradition. So, a case study topic with the title and experiential reflection on decision making using AI and ISAHP, so a case study in the textile and fur cleaning industry. This study reflects the collaborative effort between myself and my professor Barbara Schlieber, focusing on the hybrid decision-making approach applied to the textile and fur cleaning industry. Our goal was to explore how artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT, can exchange traditional methods like the analytic hierarchy process. So let me start by painting a picture of the decision-making landscape. So every organization, regardless of its size or industry, it contains making choices from analogically resources to refining strategies. Traditionally, the AHP has been a trusted tool to structure these complex problems, breaking them into smaller complex problems. And technology is advancing, but AI is becoming an essential tool in many fields, offering speed, capability, and creativity. Also, our study focuses on the intersection of these two approaches. So we asked, can AI complete AHP to create a more effective and adapting decision-making process? The answer to this, we applied a hybrid AI AHP model to a real-world case in the textile and fur cleaning industry. So what does the research say? So before driving into our findings, let me share some insights from the literature. So researchers
Eva,
like,
excuse me.
yes,
The slides are not changing. You are in the first slide.
really?
Yes.
Interesting. So I'll just stop sharing and start it
Yeah.
over.
Now it works.
Yes, now it works.
Yeah.
So this is the slide that we should be on. I'm very sorry.
Okay, yeah.
That's okay.
So the researchers like Svoboda and Lande have shown how ChatGPT-4 can act as a virtual expert for decision making with structured solutions. Similarly, Alves highlighted how integrating AI into AHP can change scalability, and it can be very adapting. However, there's a little problem, let's say. While AI has a big potential, it is not unfailable. So validation and human oversight remain critical to ensure to reliability and accuracy of its outputs. Has the slide changed?
Yes, it works now.
Okay. I'm just checking. Thank you. So let's move on then. For those unfamiliar, the AHP method involves 4 key steps. So data collection, criteria generation, alternative evaluation, and consistency checks. So we are creating information through interviews, surgeries, and literature reviews, identifying the factors that influence decisions. comparing different options against the criteria and ensuring the logic and coherence of the evaluations. While effective, this process is often time-consuming and resource-intensive. In industries like textiles, their market conditions can change rapidly, so these delays can be a significant downback. This is where AI comes to play. Our hybrid AI ISAHP approach involved three main steps. So model generating, so using ChatGPT to create an initial decision model, including potential criteria and alternatives. Validation, refining these outputs with traditional ISAHP methods to ensure relevance or accuracy, and feedback loop. It was iteratively using AI to explore creative solutions and address any gaps in the model. So this synergy allows us to use both methods. The good parts of the AI and the depth and rigor of ISAHP. Let me share some of the advantages that we observed. So, efficiency. ChatGPT reduced the time of initial tasks like generating criteria and performing some checks. It is very creative. So the AI introduced some other perspectives that we didn't actually had in mind, and it is very easy to use. So it's very intuitive interface, and it made it very accessible for even those who weren't actually into the ChatGPT and all the AI thing. So these benefits were particularly evident in our case study, where rapid and innovative solutions were essential. So we have also some disadvantages. So accuracy. While AI is helpful, it produces overly generic outputs necessary through validation. It had prompt crafting, so effective use of ChatGPT required well-structured prompts, which was sometimes a trial and error process. Also, it is important to say the ethics. So they are ensuring adherence to ethical guidelines, adding complexity. So these limitations underscore the importance of maintaining a critical approach when integrating AI into decision making. Lesson learned and recommendations. So what we can take away from this experience. First, AI is a very powerful tool, but is most effective when we use it with a complement of traditional methods. So we recommend using AI as a starting point to outline problems and generate ideas, followed by traditional methods to adapt these outputs to the specific context. And secondly, researchers and decision makers must remain critical of the AI outputs. Working ahead, limitations on future research. So as with any study or findings, we have some limitations. This way, a single case study, so its capability to other industries remains to be tested. Future research should explore like applications in other sectors. For example, logistics or healthcare could greatly benefit for similar hybrid approach. And secondly, ethical considerations. like addressing issues like data privacy or potential bases in AI-generated outputs. Before I conclude, I would like to thank my co-author, Barbara Schliber, and my university, Faculty of Organization and Informatics, for their support. This project has shown us that while AI refers exciting possibilities, its true potential lies in collaboration. So between humans and machines, and between tradition and innovation. So thank you very much for your attention, and any questions, we will do it then later.
Yes, but I have a quick question. Did you use the traditional method to structure the decision and then was followed by artificial intelligence? Or was it the other way around? You use artificial intelligence first and then ASP?
So we firstly had like a plan, what are like our top points that we want to see through the HIP method. And then we started like, firstly we made our HIP, and then we asked ChatGPT about what does
Okay.
he think.
Oh, okay. 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 Thank you.